Quick question. You walk into a supermarket. You need milk, but you can't find it. What do you say? A. Milk location. B. Give me milk. Or C. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Think about your answer. We'll reveal it in just a moment.
And here's today's challenge. Can you score 10 out of 10 in our market survival test before the end of this lesson? Keep track of your points.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how native speakers buy food, ask for prices, check freshness, and pay confidently.
And be careful. One sentence that millions of English learners use every day sounds surprisingly rude. We'll show you what it is later.
Plus, I'll tell you how I accidentally bought the smelliest cheese in London.
Trust me, it's a story you'll never forget.
Let's begin.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Alice. Welcome back to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
We help you speak English confidently through real-life conversations.
Today's topic is buying food in English.
Whether you're in a supermarket, grocery store, or local market, these phrases will help you communicate naturally.
And remember, don't just watch. Speak with us.
Every time we give you a challenge, say the answer out loud. That's how fluency grows.
Ready? Let's start. Situation 1. Finding items. Imagine you're shopping. You need bananas, but you can't find them anywhere. What do? Alice. First, find a staff member. Then, start with 2 magic words. What are they? Excuse me. That's it? Yes. Those 2 words instantly make your question sound polite. Now, let's build the full sentence. Say, excuse me, where can I find the bananas? Listen again. Excuse me, where can I find the bananas? Simple, natural, exactly what native speakers say. Now it's your turn. Challenge number 1. You need bread. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Did you say, excuse me, where can I find the bread? If yes, give yourself 1 point. Great job. Let's try another. You need coffee. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The answer? Excuse me, where can I find the coffee? Another point if you got it right. By the way, don't say, give me coffee, or coffee location. People will understand you, but it sounds unnatural.
Use the full phrase. Excuse me, where can I find the coffee?
Perfect.
Now let me tell you about one of my most embarrassing shopping experiences.
Uh-oh. This sounds good.
My first week in England, I walked into a huge supermarket. I wanted cereal. Simple, right?
What happened?
I didn't know the word cereal. I searched for 20 minutes. Finally, I asked an employee, "Where is the breakfast corn?"
No.
Yes! The employee looked confused. Then she laughed. Then I laughed. And finally, she showed me the cereal aisle.
Lesson learned. Knowing the right vocabulary saves time and embarrassment.
Exactly. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Most people are happy to help.
Okay, you found the bananas. Mission accomplished. But now there's a new problem.
There's no price tag.
What do you say?
Let's test everyone. You're holding 1 bottle of water. What question should you ask? 3, 2, 1.
The answer is, how much is this?
Excellent. 1 item equals, how much is this?
Now let's make it harder. You're holding 3 bags of rice. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
The answer is, how much are these?
1 item? How much is this? Many items? How much are these?
That's one of the most useful supermarket phrases you'll ever learn.
And coming up next, we're entering the fresh food section.
This is where many English learners make mistakes.
We'll show you how to ask if fruit and vegetables are fresh.
And I'll finally reveal Alice's famous cheese disaster. Welcome back. How many points do you have so far?
Keep counting, because the challenges are about to get harder.
We've learned how to find items. We've learned how to ask for prices. Now let's talk about fresh food.
Imagine you're looking at strawberries. Some look bright and fresh. Others look a little old.
What do you ask?
The easiest question is, are these fresh?
Listen again. Are these fresh? Simple. Natural. Very common.
Let's practice. You're holding a box of strawberries. Ask the employee if they're fresh. 3, 2, 1.
Did you say, are these fresh?
Excellent. Another point.
Now imagine you're looking at tomatoes. You want the best ones for a salad. What can you ask? Say, which ones are the best? Native speakers use this all the time.
Employees usually know their products very well.
Let's practice. 3, 2, 1.
The answer? Which ones are the best?
Great job.
Here's another useful question. When did these arrive?
This means, when did the store receive them?
Fresh produce usually arrives regularly.
And this question shows that you're a careful shopper.
Now, it's finally time for my cheese story.
I've been waiting for this.
A few years ago, I was living in London. One day, I decided to buy cheese.
Sounds normal.
That's what I thought. I wanted a mild cheese, something soft, something easy to eat.
Reasonable.
The problem was, I didn't know the word mild.
Uh-oh.
So I pointed at a cheese and said, I want this one. It looks friendly.
Friendly? You chose cheese based on personality?
Apparently. The shopkeeper laughed. Then he said, that's a very strong cheese.
Did you listen?
No. I bought it anyway.
Bad decision.
That night, I opened it in my apartment. Within seconds, the smell filled the entire kitchen.
Oh no!
My roommate walked in and shouted, "What died in here?"
That's amazing.
I learned 2 important phrases that day.
Which are?
Is this strong or mild? And which one would you recommend?
Excellent phrases.
Let's practice. Challenge number 8. You want a mild cheese. What do you ask? 3, 2, 1.
The answer? Is this strong or mild?
Another point if you got it right.
Now let's move to the final part of shopping.
Paying.
You've chosen your food, you've checked the prices, you've found the freshest items.
Now you're standing at the checkout.
The cashier scans your food. Beep, beep, beep.
Then the cashier asks, cash or card?
This is extremely common.
If you're paying by card, simply say, card please.
If you're paying with cash,
Cash please. Easy.
what if you want to pay using your phone?
Ask, can I pay with my phone?
Very useful these days.
And don't forget about bags.
Many stores charge for them now.
You can ask, can I have a bag please?
Let's do a quick role play. Hello. That will be $18.75. Cash or card?
Card please.
Would you like a bag?
Yes please. 1 bag.
No problem. Anything else today?
No thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Smooth. Natural. Confident.
Before our final challenge, let's reveal the secret formula we promised at the beginning.
Ah, yes. The formula that instantly makes your English sound more polite.
Many learners say, I want milk.
The grammar is correct, but sometimes it sounds too direct.
Instead, use this formula. Step 1, excuse me.
Step 2, could you tell me?
Step 3, your question.
For example, excuse me, could you tell me where the milk is?
Notice how friendly and polite that sounds?
This works almost everywhere.
Okay, it's time.
The market survival test.
10 questions, 1 point each.
Let's see if you're ready for a real supermarket.
Question 1. You can't find the eggs. What do you say? A. Give me eggs. B. Excuse me, where can I find the eggs? C. Eggs location?
The answer is B.
Question 2. You're holding 1 bottle of juice. What do you ask? A. How much is this? B. How much are these? C. Price juice?
Answer A.
Question 3. You're holding 3 bags of rice. What do you ask? A. How much is this? B. How much are these? C. Rice cost?
Answer B.
Question 4. You want to know if strawberries are fresh. A. Are these fresh? B. Are these alive? C. Are these young?
Answer A.
Question 5. You want the best tomatoes. A. Which ones are the best? B. Which tomatoes win? C. Best tomato where?
Answer A.
Question 6. You want to know when fruit arrived. A. What age is this fruit? B. When did these arrive? C. Is this born today?
Answer B. Answer B.
Alice, question 7. You want a mild cheese. A. Is this strong or mild? B. Is this friendly? C. Is this dangerous?
Answer A.
Alice, question 8. The cashier asks, cash or card? You want to pay by card. A. Plastic money? B. Card, please. C. Give machine.
Answer B.
Alice, question 9. You need a shopping bag. A. Can I have a bag, please? B. Bag. C. Give me bag.
Answer A.
Alice, question 10. You want to sound extra polite. What's the best opener? A. Hey. B. Excuse me. C. Listen.
The answer is B.
How did you do?
10 out of 10? Amazing.
8 or 9? Excellent.
5 to 7? You're making great progress.
Less than 5? No problem. Watch again and practice.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from watching.
It comes from speaking.
Here's your homework. The next time you go shopping, use at least one phrase from today's lesson.
Even if you're shopping in your own language, think of the English phrase in your head.
That's how confidence grows.
Now, tell us in the comments, what score did you get on the market survival test?
And what's the most difficult food to buy in English?
Cheese? Spices? Seafood?
We read every comment, and your answer might inspire our next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe and turn on notifications.
We upload practical English lessons every week,
helping you speak English confidently in real-life situations.
Thanks for watching.
And remember, every conversation is a chance to improve your English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.